The world of premium rice cookers usually leads you to two distinct paths, the legendary Zojirushi or the value-packed Toshiba. Both will cook better rice than a $20 pot, but they serve different users. If you are trying to decide, you aren't just choosing a kitchen appliance, you are choosing between a long-term specialist and a versatile modern tool. Let's break down the real differences. Heating technology and performance. The most critical part of any rice cooker is how it applies heat. Zojirushi is famously conservative but precise. Their higher-end models use induction heating, IH, combined with pressure. Pressure allows the water to get hotter than 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit without boiling away, forcing moisture into the very core of the grain. This technology alters the structure of the starch, beta starch to alpha starch conversion, making rice that stays soft and plump even after it cools down, crucial if you make bento boxes or eat leftovers. Their algorithms are fine-tuned over decades. The neuro-fuzzy logic isn't just a marketing term, it's a behavior. It adjusts for summer humidity versus winter dryness, extending soak times or tweaking heat curves automatically. Toshiba, on the other hand, often democratizes high-end tech. Many of their mid-range models feature 3D cooking or induction heating at a price point where Zojirushi only offers basic heating plates. Toshiba's 3D tech heats from the lid, side, and bottom, similar to Zojirushi, but their approach is often more aggressive on speed. Toshiba also heavily markets low-carb or healthy rice features in their newer induction models. This involves a special basket that drains starchy water away before steaming the rice to finish, a feature Zojirushi generally ignores in favor of maximizing flavor and texture preservation. If you want the absolute best texture, Zojirushi's pressure tech wins. If you want advanced heating tech like induction without spending $400, Toshiba is the smarter buy. Design and build quality. When you unbox a Zojirushi, you feel the Made in Japan legacy on specific models like the Neuro Fuzzy or induction lines. The build is dense. The latches click with a satisfying heavy sound. The retractable cords are smooth, and the handles are robust. However, there is a quirky, almost stubborn adherence to the past. The interface often looks like a 1990s alarm clock, and the internal battery that keeps the time is often soldered directly to the circuit board. When it dies after 5 to 7 years, you can't replace it easily without a soldering iron, which is a baffling design choice for such a premium device. Toshiba feels more modern, but lighter. The plastic grades are high quality, but don't quite have that tank-like density of a Zojirushi. However, Toshiba designs for the modern kitchen aesthetic, sleek, often featuring flat touch panels instead of physical buttons, and cleaner lines that look good on a 2025 countertop. Their inner lids are almost always easy to remove for cleaning, like Zojirushi, but the overall footprint of Toshiba models tends to be slightly bulkier due to the extra insulation required for their specific heating configurations. While Zojirushi feels like an heirloom, Toshiba feels like a high-end consumer electronic device. Features and functionality. Zojirushi focuses on doing one thing perfectly: rice. Their GABA brown setting is a standout, holding brown rice at a steady 104 degrees Fahrenheit for hours to activate gamma-aminobutyric acid, increasing nutritional value and significantly softening the often tough bran. They also offer specific texture settings: hard, soft, sushi, porridge, and sweet. It's a specialist's tool. You won't find a low-carb button or a dedicated egg setting on most traditional Zojirushi models because they prioritize grain integrity above versatility. Toshiba is the multitasker. They know you probably don't want 5 appliances on your counter. Their machines often come with modes for clay pot, egg, cake, soup, and slow cook alongside the standard rice options. The quick cook on Toshiba is noticeably faster, often under 30 minutes, whereas Zojirushi's quick mode can still take 40+ minutes because it refuses to compromise too much on the soaking phase. Toshiba is better if you want a machine that can bail you out on a busy weeknight with a fast batch of rice or double as a slow cooker for stew. Ease of cleaning and maintenance. Day-to-day maintenance is similar, but the details matter. Both brands usually feature removable inner lids, which is essential for preventing mold and stale odors. However, Zojirushi's inner pots, often coated with platinum or sumaflon, are notoriously sensitive. You cannot wash rice inside the Zojirushi pot with aggressive movements or use anything abrasive, or the coating will peel over time. Replacing a Zojirushi pot is expensive, sometimes costing a third of the machine's price. Toshiba's pots, often marketed as having Bincham tan charcoal coatings or multi-layer iron, tend to feel slightly more rugged and heavy in the hand, especially in their IH models. The weight helps with heat retention, but also makes them feel more substantial when washing. Toshiba steam vents are often easier to disassemble completely, whereas some Zojirushi vents are integrated into complex caps that can be fiddly to rinse out if you cook something starchy like oatmeal. If you are rough with your dishes, Toshiba's pot might be more forgiving, although no nonstick rice cooker pot is truly scratch-proof. Price and value proposition. This is where the roads diverge. Zojirushi commands a premium that borders on luxury. You are paying for consistency, the guarantee that 10 years from now the rice will taste exactly the same as it did today. It's an investment for people who eat rice daily and can tell the difference between cooked and perfect. If you aren't picky about grain texture, the price premium, often 2x or 3x a standard cooker, might feel wasted. Toshiba is the value king. You can often get a Toshiba model with induction heating for the price of a basic MyCom microcomputerized Zojirushi. The rice quality is 90 to 95% of the way there for 50% of the price. For most families, the difference in texture is negligible, especially if you cover your rice in curry or stir-fry sauce. Toshiba offers the smart experience, digital displays, multiple grain settings, fuzzy logic, without the brand tax attached to the Zojirushi elephant. If you want great rice and better versatility without breaking the bank, Toshiba wins. If you want the undisputed best rice and don't care about the cost, you buy the Zojirushi. So, who wins? Buy the Zojirushi if you want an heirloom quality specialist that makes the best rice you have ever had every single time. Buy the Toshiba if you want a sleek, modern multitasker that cooks excellent rice and saves you money.